If you love fresh veggies and hate waste, listen up. Permaculture is about turning your backyard into a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem. And yes, even if you live in the suburbs. So what is permaculture? It's a fancy word for designing gardens that mimic nature. Instead of fighting weeds and pests, you work with natural cycles, saving you time, money, and effort. Here's how it works for kitchen gardeners like us. Start by observing your space. Notice where the sun hits, where water pools, and what plants already thrive. Next, mix things up. Plant herbs, veggies, and flowers together. This diversity means fewer pests, richer soil, and less watering. Got food scraps? Compost them. Your garden loves the nutrients, and you'll send less to the landfill. Collect rainwater in barrels to keep your plants happy, even during dry spells. Permaculture isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Growing food in harmony with nature right where you are. Families love it because kids get to learn, play, and snack straight from the garden. Plus, you'll harvest more veggies, use fewer chemicals, and create a haven for butterflies and bees. So whether you've got a backyard or a few pots on your patio, permaculture lets you nurture the planet, one delicious meal at a time. Ready to give it a try? Your eco-friendly, low-maintenance garden awaits.